Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import MKV files in Premiere Pro easy tutorial. So as you can see, I've tried out to import an MKV file in here and there is an import failure. So the file format is not supported by Premiere Pro. For us to be able to go ahead and successfully import our clip, so let's head on to your favorite browser, so feel free to choose which one and search this free convert com/video converter. So here we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop the MKV file that we're gonna go ahead and try to convert. So let's simply drag it here and then drop the file here. Or you could also click on choose file and then you could go ahead and choose the device file. So let's from device here. And I have that one here under my downloads. So you have the sample MKV file here. Click on open. And then right after, let's click on to convert. So the output for this, you could choose on which one. So feel free to choose on which format it is, but make sure that it is already compatible with Premiere. So we're gonna opt for MP4 here. Click on convert. And let's just wait for this one to be converted so that it will automatically go ahead and give us an option to download this onto our device. So let's download this and let's wait for this one so that we could import this back again onto our Premiere Pro. So click on download. And once done, you should be able to find that one onto your downloads folder. So let's open the file folder for that and let's head back to Premiere Pro to import that. So let's simply click on OK to this one. And now let's try to go ahead and import here the newly converted MP4 file from MKV to MP4. So as you can see, we have successfully imported already the newly converted file. And that is how easy you could go ahead and import MKV files to Premiere Pro. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.